Hello, people. This is my second video of the day, and I think I need to get that little cell phone stand so that I don't need to probably hold the phone and speak. But right now we are reviewing, this whole series of Aamir Khan films. So the movie that we are reviewing right now is Lagaan. I mean, some movies actually they go beyond reviews also. Yeah, I mean, it's like if most movies would qualify for a 5-star rating, Amir Khan, I mean, Lagan deserves a 7-star rating. I mean, it's like it's no wonder it was India's entry to the Oscars, and it was actually selected among in the best foreign film category. So it is. Ashutosh Gavarekar, the director of the film, hats off to him and Amir Khan, who worked as a team to pull it off as a because who would think, yeah, a film in set in a film about cricket, uh, set in the early part of the 20th century, in fact 19th century, yeah, would do so well. And in fact, that's what is making me look forward to Amir Khan's Thugs of Hindustan. And it's so interesting to know that the Hindustan is spelled with a double O. So that itself has a very Rudyard Kipling touch to it. So, Lagan music, A.R. Rahman. I mean, I think any movie that has A.R. Rahman's music is bound to be a hit. I mean, like in the sense that A.R. Rahman's music is transporting, right? So, but here's looking forward to Thugs of Hindustan. I mean, after Lagan and after Three Idiots and these whole series of Amir Khan films, now Amir Khan is just associated with quality. So it's just like salute, So here's just hoping that we're just waiting uh, for those amazing 3 hours that every Amir Khan film gives us. So, and yeah, it's like a 7-star rating, yeah, for Lagan. So, thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.